Whenever you growing the microgreens are the small greens. They are family of sprouts, but it's a soil growing. Uh, Only things you need is very good organic seeds, uh, the best organic soil, and containers without holes and with holes, and very simple devices. You can use it to be successful. There are two kinds of the seeds. Seeds are the smaller seeds, like we have right now. These are the radish seeds, very tiny. Okay, you can see that the radish seeds over here, and we have another class is the bigger seeds. Okay, so you just make it in a different, similar ways, but a different. First, I'm going to talk to you how do you start your very tiny seeds, microgreens. You get the containers like this with holes, and you can get the the containers like the without holes, trays without holes. You put them there. You fill up each container up to the top with a very good soil, which these are the have to be special kinds of. We use the black gold organic soil, and you can fill it up the top. These are for the smaller seeds. And things you are going to do is scatter the seeds very heavily in top of the soil. And after that, I'm going to water it a little bit. You use the capillary system, because the tray without the holes hold the water, and the soil as needed gets the water from the tray, bring it up to the plants. And if you have a room is cold, we need the room for 70 degrees for germinations. And if you don't have that room, or your room is 45 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, or whatever, you need 70 degrees. You can use one of those plastic dome or plastic covers to keep it warm on that one over here. Very simple. In your home, you put this one, you go near your countertop, you do exactly the things I'm doing right now, water it, and just put in your countertop. And every so often, you add the water in the bottom tray, and in 9 days, you're going to have a microgreens. This is for the smaller, tiny seeds. For the larger seeds, you need the buckets like that. That's the one method we use. 2 buckets. One of them has holes on the bottom, another one doesn't have holes, but the same size. You put it over there, and you soak your seed. These are the peas, and fill up the water up to top, and let them to soak for 12 to 16 hours. And after that he's soaking for 12 to 16 hours, take these things up, let them to drain. And when you do that, you get rid of the water in the seeds. And this time you're going to have ½ inch, same kind of soil, organic soil, put in the bottom, and scatter the seeds, the sprouted seeds, or the seed that germinated in the top, and do the same way. So larger seeds, you need a smaller amount of soil. Smaller seeds, you need a bigger amount of soil in the container.
Obviously the soaked ones are bigger.
Yes,
They change
Usually get
colors.
the size be 2.5 times bigger. Okay, so going to have seed germinate. You're going to have seeds like this, which is germinated, and it's the roots start growing. And by 5 days, you're going to have seeds this size. You can see there, this is the radish, 5 days. And by 9 days, you're going to have microgreens like this. In average, you can harvest, you can eat it, and this thing has a lot of nutrients. It's just a lot of enzyme and antioxidant, and it is very good for your body. So you can do in the classification of the one smaller seeds. It is like you can grow alfalfa, you can grow radish, you can grow arugula, you can grow mustard, and all those kind of things. In the category number 2, where they have the bigger seeds, you can grow wheatgrass, pea greens, sunflower greens, and the barley, and something like that.